the technical training facility that you all have developed in the last couple of years. You have 4,000 square foot of dedicated hands-on training, plus you've also got a huge classroom upstairs. So tell me a little bit about how training has evolved like in the last couple of years.
Yeah, so since we started training in August of 2023, which is when we first opened up the training center,
Hmm.
it's slowly progressed, but obviously over time we're getting more and more people.
Right.
But yeah, 4,000 square feet of training space downstairs divided amongst 6 labs. So you have your 3 ducted residential labs, and we have our ductless and our VRF, as well as our crossover that's taking off pretty well.
Yeah, that crossover was a pretty significant lab. There's a lot of equipment in there. And it's when we say crossover, for those that don't know what we're talking about, that's our horizontal discharge units that are really becoming prominent in our industry. They're one of my favorites. They're a convenient piece of equipment. They can fit through gates, when you're working in congested areas. And so, but it's a different technology. Like when we get into like inverter technology, and we were even looking at the cold climate heat pump that you have in the residential ducted training section, that's using things like vapor injection technology, but it's also using a variable frequency drive instead of that traditional inverter control board. So there's a lot of technologies, and I think it's important for our contractors to stay up to date with the training, and Carrier is committed to that. This is a phenomenal investment, and it's a huge, huge facility.